Draflex unveils next-generation experience store in Indiranagar, Bengaluru. Marks the beginning of a pan-India, experience-led retail transformation. Bengaluru, Draflex, one of India's leading sleep and comfort solutions brands, has unveiled its newly reimagined experience store in Indiranagar, Bengaluru, marking the first step in its larger retail transformation journey across the country. Built around the brand's evolving philosophy of "Designed to the Stress," the refreshed store introduces a next-generation retail format that shifts the category conversation from transactional mattress buying to holistic sleep, wellness, and recovery. The space also brings to life Draflex's new visual identity, anchored in calm, comfort, and contemporary design. Moving beyond a traditional retail setup, the Indiranagar store has been designed as an immersive sleep experience destination, where consumers can slow down, explore their needs, and discover solutions that enable deeper, more restorative rest in today's fast-paced lifestyles. At the heart of the new format is a more intuitive, guided consumer journey. The store places strong emphasis on consultation and education, enabling customers to engage with products through assisted comfort trials, personalized recommendations, and deeper understanding of their sleep needs, posture, and material preferences. A key highlight of the store is the Decode Studio, an in-store innovation designed to simplify product discovery. By helping assess pressure points and body needs, the studio allows customers to experience products in a private, comfortable setting, making the selection process more informed and personalized. The experience is further elevated through Draflex's latest innovations, including AirBoost technology, reinforcing the brand's positioning as a science-led, consumer-first sleep solutions company. The redesigned layout, visual language, and spatial flow work together to create a calming, inviting environment that encourages meaningful engagement rather than hurried decision-making. Commenting on the launch, Sudhanshu Krishna, Chief Sales Officer, Draflex Limited, said, "As urban lifestyles evolve, we are seeing a clear shift in how consumers approach sleep, not just as a necessity, but as a key pillar of overall well-being." At Draflex, this has led us to rethink how retail can play a more meaningful role in guiding consumers towards the right solutions. The Indiranagar store is an important step in this direction. It reflects our intent to create spaces that are more intuitive, experiential, and consumer-centric. This is the first of several such transformations, as we look to upgrade more stores across key markets over the coming months with a consistent, experience-led format. The newly revamped store is now open to consumers at Indiranagar, Bengaluru.
to welcome everyone to the revamped new Duroflex store today at Indiranagar. This is the first store which comes alive with the new brand positioning that we have for Duroflex, designed to de-stress. Why this store is very important and this new concept is very important for us, because it gives the consumers an opportunity to pick, choose, experience the products, feel good about them and use them, and not only to help them rest but also to de-stress from the stress that they carry every day with them. With this store, this is just the beginning of the journey. We look forward to revamping all our stores in coming times to give a value-added experience to the consumers who have been trusting Duroflex for last 60 years.
So any expansion plans, sir?
We already are present pan-India with our flagship stores, which are now close to around 80 stores, as well as through our dealer partners in the physical retail format, close to around 5,000 plus dealer partners. The expansion plans are very well there. What we intend to do is to give consumers this superior experience and make their purchase decision very comfortable and very easy for them. The expansion plan in next 12 to 24 months is going to be, we aim for doubling our store count within the experiential retail format, and also replicating the same new concept that we have introduced today in Indiranagar across all our stores.
What is the durable in your product, sir?
Sorry.
Durability of your product.
Durability of our products, we have been known as a brand providing good product, excellent quality product for last 60 years. That is one of the reasons that why we have 1.3 crore customers, happy customers. Durability of our products is of prime quality, and durability of our products is prime importance to us, and we don't compromise on it. Our products typically, whether they are mattresses or furnitures, last for somewhere between 5 to 10 years for the consumers. We ensure that during the entire lifetime that the consumers use, they continue to get the same benefits, same experience out of the products as they get from the new products.
What is the cost-wise?
In terms of offers, we have a lot of exciting offers going on across our portfolio, which range from discounts to free offers, etc. What we focus more on is the quality of the product and problem solution to the consumer, because when a consumer is investing somewhere close to around 25 to 50,000 rupees in purchasing our products, the primary concern of the consumer is not the offer but getting the right product which suits them, which helps them in their day-to-day lives.
What is price, sir?
Starting price, we have mattresses starting from the price range of roughly around 10,000 rupees, and we have superior products, very innovative products. One of the latest innovations that we introduced to Indian market for the first time is called Air Boost, which provides a very differentiated benefit to the consumers.